Hello students of standard 10. Now we will solve one example by using fundamental trigonometric identity. Second example. Before this example, in last video we have seen first example. If sec theta equal to 25 upon 7, then find the value of tan theta. Here we have two methods. First method is by using fundamental identity. Identity is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Now sec theta is given 25 upon 7. Substitute value of sec theta here. Therefore 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 25 upon 7 whole square. Then take square of this 25 upon 7. Therefore 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 625 upon 49. Then we have to find tan theta. That's why shift this one to right hand side, it becomes minus. Therefore tan square theta is equal to 625 upon 49 minus 1. Now by taking LCM we will get here, or you can take 1 as a denominator of this one and then by cross multiplication. 625 into 1 is 625, minus 1 into 49 is 49, and upon 49 into 1 49 is equal to 625 minus 49 is 576 upon 49. But we want tan theta, so taking square root on both sides we will get tan theta is equal to 24 upon 7. 24 is the square root of 576 and 7 is the square root of 49. So value of tan theta is 24 upon 7. This is the first method. Now second method, by using definition and Pythagoras theorem. We have to draw one triangle PQR. In this triangle, angle Q is right angle and angle P is theta. Sec theta is given 25 upon 7 from the figure, and by definition sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side of angle theta. Now here hypotenuse is PR, which is opposite to 90 degree. So PR upon adjacent side of theta is PQ upon PQ. Now here sec theta is 25 upon 7 and this sec theta is PR upon PQ. Means we can write here 25 upon 7. But remember, when ratios are equal, that time by using common multiple we can write length of the sides. Therefore PR is equal to 25k and PQ is equal to 7k. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Therefore PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Now substituting the values of PQ and PR. PQ is 7k, so 7k whole square plus QR square is equal to PR square, means PR is 25k, so 25k whole square. Now taking squares, 7k whole square is 49k square plus QR square and 25k whole square is 625k square. Now shift 49k square to right hand side. Therefore QR square is equal to 625k square minus 49k square. Therefore QR square is equal to subtraction of these two terms is 576k square. Now taking square root on both sides, QR is equal to 24k. Now we have to find tan theta. So tan theta is equal to, by definition, opposite side of theta upon adjacent side of theta. Opposite side of theta is QR and adjacent side is PQ. So equal to QR upon PQ. Substituting the values, equal to QR is 24k and PQ is 7k. So equal to 24k upon 7k. Cancel k is equal to 24 upon 7. Now see, both values are same. Tan theta is 24 upon 7. So we can use any one method to find the ratios. Write these two methods in your Maths 2 notebook.